what he wants to. Pussy still wet like a big bitch. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name.
Hello, my beauty lovers. It's your girl, Myra. I'm back with another video. Hey, I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. Hi everybody out there, how's everybody doing? I'm doing good. Today's video is gonna be a Coachella vibes. If you guys don't know what Coachella is Coachella is a valley music in California where, you know, people go all out with their outfits, their makeup. Yeah, they really jazz it up, hook it up, brighten it up. So yeah, today's video is gonna be Coachella vibes using the Aurora Lights by BH and also the Take Me Back to Brazil by BH. And I'm gonna be using some little rhinestones, you know, at the end of the video. I got these little, I got this from, it was a packaging I had got for Christmas from Victoria's Secret. I don't know if you guys ever seen them. It's like a body spray, and in the back of it, it got this plasticky thing in back of it. Anyways, so yeah, that's where I got it from, Victoria's Secret. You can also find them at 5 and Below. When you buy the little spray bottles, like go to the makeup section, and you're gonna see like mascaras, eyeshadow, in like this little plasticky container with little stones like this in the back of it, and you could play around with it, be creative with it, you know, like I'm doing today. So if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful look at the end of the video, please keep on watching.
It's a lot of names on my hit list. Mouth still say what he wants to. Pussy still wet like a big bitch.
Coachella vibes. I hope you're feeling the vibes. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see. Also, don't forget to share my videos with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here on this channel. Because we lit. We lit. We lit. Yes, girls. Till next time. I love you all. Mwah, mwah.